Why the ketogenic diet is awesome. Mice that were fed a ketogenic diet lived 3.5 months more than mice that were fed a normal diet. Now, if we have to convert 3.5 months of mice age to human age, then it would mean that humans would live 50.6 years longer than human who would follow a normal diet. The ketogenic diet has also proven to be successful in curing chronic diseases like cancer.
Death sentence.
The doctors gave me 3 months to live because of widespread metastatic cancer in my skeletal structure. 3 months. 3 different doctors told me that same thing.
Then Fred heard about a low-sugar diet called the ketogenic diet, believed to slow cancer in some people. With nothing to lose, he gave it a try, and to his astonishment, it worked.
And the cancer was gone completely.
It does not just stop with cancer. It helps in curing a lot of other diseases like obesity, diabetes, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, and heart disease, which are considered to be very difficult to cure. The ketogenic diet is a revolutionary technique that will change the way we cure diseases. The ketogenic diet is also amazing for weight loss, as it helps you to get keto adapted, which is a state in which your body uses its own fat as its main source of fuel, which allows you to lose up to a pound per day without exercising, which is super cool. Not only does it help you to lose weight, but it also helps you to gain a lean muscle mass by increasing something known as human growth hormone by almost 1360% in male and 480% in female. And it also helps you to increase testosterone in males by almost 500%. These hormones are crucial for increasing muscle mass. The ketogenic diet is so powerful that it also helps in curing deadly neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's by activating stem cells in the brain which give birth to new neurons. The ketogenic diet can make you a happier person, as the ketogenic diet reduces the size of a particular part of your brain called as the amygdala. The amygdala is the part of your brain which gives birth to negative emotions such as anxiety, fear, and aggression. As the ketogenic diet reduces the size of the amygdala, it also simultaneously shuts off all the negative emotions. The ketogenic diet changes your brain structure the same way an hour of meditation does. Homo heidelbergensis, our ancestors 600,000 years ago, had bigger brains than we do right now, which means they were way smarter than us. Yes, we do know much more now, but as individuals, our ancestors were survival experts and possibly way better problem solvers than we are. When scientists studied the fossils of Homo heidelbergs, they were astonished by the fact that we had more neurons 600,000 years ago than we do right now, which means our human brains are shrinking. Close study of the fossils suggested that Homo heidelbergs were naturally as strong as our modern athletes. It's really fascinating to know that our ancestors were in better shape and had bigger brains than we do right now. One of the main reasons why they were so athletic and smart was because they would at best get only one meal a day, and the rest of the 23 hours, our ancestors did not starve to death. They would use their own body fat as energy and enter a state known as ketosis. Ketosis basically means using your own body fat for fuel. It was because of the fact that our species were very efficient in entering the state of ketosis that we were able to evolve and have such big brains. It is because of the fact that our bodies have forgotten to use fats and rather using a dirty fuel like sugar that neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, ALS, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease have risen. In the revised edition of the book, The Magic of Thinking Big, in which the author talks about how thinking big helps you to achieve your dreams and goals and the life you would love to live. In the revised edition, what scientists have found out is that there is no magic for thinking big. There is a particular protein in your brain known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which basically increases something known as neurogenesis in the brain. From time to time, it's been proven to make us smarter, happier, and more focused. And this is the same powerful protein that also helps in curing Alzheimer's disease. The ketogenic diet helps to increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor in the brain by almost 300 to 400%, which is a crucial protein in our brains which allows us to think big. Exercise also helps to increase BDNF. That's why, if you notice, Arnold Schwarzenegger was a millionaire way before he started acting. He was able to do this through his real estate business. He probably has to thank brain-derived neurotrophic factor that he got through exercising regularly. There's a part 2 of this video coming up where I explain exactly how we should go about the ketogenic diet. Thank you so much for watching. Please do also click on the subscribe button if you would like more content like this, and remember, keep being awesome.
Up to outer space I will go, latest trends to go with the flow.